On my other videos where we do the spray test, it obviously has good compression and it has good spark because it's wanting to run but then dies. So we know that this thing obviously has some type of fuel delivery issue. So I'm gonna dig into this carburetor and see what we can find. I know the setting's a little bit different today. I'm working on the tailgate, or working off of the tailgate of my old 99 Chevrolet pickup here. Okay. So that's a little bit dirty. Don't look too bad. Got some grass in there. There's a little pre-filter. Oh yeah, look at the grass in that thing. So we'll clean that up. And we'll go ahead and see if that affects it at all. We'll try to start it without the air filter. I imagine it's going to do the same thing, but so that's actually a lot better.